Hi, I'm Vaishnav Sreja. I'm a third year BTech student specializing in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and I'm from the project EnableUs. So, imagine being trapped inside your own body, unable to speak, unable to communicate with anybody. So, imagine being in such a state. Horrible, isn't it? But actually, this is the case with the majority of patients recovering from traumatic brain injuries, or maybe in conditions like ALS, maybe, you know, being in a vegetative state such as coma. So it's a horrendous state. So the problem that we are trying to solve was this: to find some sort of solution to solve this. So the first thing that would come to mind would be maybe the case of Stephen Hawking, right? Stephen Hawking had ALS, and but he had a system, a way of communicating with others. He had a special device, but this device is costly, isn't it? It's it is not realistic to be made available forever. So this is the problem we are trying to solve. We are trying to find a method or a device that is cheap enough, that is reliable enough to make that communication possible. So for that, we are using a basic EEG headset, and maybe for those who cannot be using this EEG headset, we are also combining open vision, maybe a camera for an improved system by which he or she can communicate with the rest of the world. So actually, this would mean a lot to a patient bedridden or maybe in a vegetative state. The first step for coming back to the common way of living is to reinstate the communication. To make that happen would be the first step for his rehabilitation. So that is a solution. That is a project we are trying to build. How does this enable us work? Let me explain by starting how this easy headset works. So what is an easy headset? An easy headset is nothing but headwear that we can wear, which taps into our electrical impulses of brain. You know that brain thinks, and there is electrical impulses produced. So this easy headset can tap into these electrical impulses. When we think, electrical impulses are produced, and system would tap into these electrical impulses. It would send into a nearby laptop, or a nearby computing device via Bluetooth. And here we have a machine learning algorithm that is fine tuned for this particular patient so that his electrical impulses can be meaningfully translated to actions that we need. So here is an example where we implement as a first stage of our project. We used his blinking capability, maybe, or a small part of his brain impulses to control a game on a laptop, which is a remote. So it is a basically it's a dino run game. You can see the visuals right here. So this was our first prototype of this project that is working. We would also be liking to add computer vision to this project. Not only his brain impulses would be added, adding to this computer vision algorithm, we would be getting precise and accurate responses from the patient. So that is how this project basically works. And how is this advantageous? Would be, I told you that the main goal of this project is to bring back communication for everyone. At Enablers project, we believe that communication is for everyone. Just because you're in a state of maybe disabled state, it doesn't mean you cannot come back to this. You cannot be a part of this world. So that's what our project aims. So thank you.